An active ongoing war that is currently panning out at full force in West of Asia. The impact of the war on world economy of Israel, India's inflation expectations, and more importantly, the FOMC's minutes of the meeting that came out last night. What does it mean for the global economy that many seems to say is limping towards some fruition, some positive start, but the war could set it back? To discuss that is joining us Vivek Kumar, economist at QuantEco. Vivek, thank you for taking time out. It's been a while since we last spoke. A lot has changed primarily by the war, of an active war that is raging in West of Asia. There is commentary coming in from IMF at this point that the war could set us back. The limping world economy could be set back by the way of this active war. What sort of impact are you expecting on the world economy?
Hi, good morning, and thank you for having me on the show back. And I think that's a question which is weighing on the policymakers' mind as well as all the economic stakeholders. Now, what we know as of now is that while yes, there is a concern, the war does not really, the affected regions directly do not control any vital nodal points for the commodity market trade, especially the crude oil market. So as of now, the impact on the market rates, so whether you look at commodity markets or equity markets or in fact even bond markets, the impact so far has been pretty mute, I would say. If I can take you back about a month, then the oil markets were reeling under the pressure from OPEC supply cuts. So we saw Brent price moving all the way up to closer to 1995. In fact, I think it had also crossed 95 for a very brief period of time. And since then, last 2 or 3 weeks, it corrected sharply by as much as $10, and prices came down from 95 to 85 within the span of 2 to 3 weeks. Now, since this news has come about, the prices would have risen by about $4 to $5. So we've given up all our gains in terms of price correction. And now we are back to closer to 87, 88 dollars per barrel. So we are down from the recent peak that we saw, but there is a zone of uncertainty. There is a zone of, I would say, uh, unease as far as the commodity markets are concerned, because for India, the primary source of contagion, if at all it were to escalate, will be via the commodity price angle, and especially within the commodity price basket, it will be the petroleum or the crude products.